We're inviting high-end luxury brands to join us in the launch of Billionaire magazine. You're invited as a potential brand to join brands like the Bitcoin mansions where homes range from $250 million to $500 million. There are no advertising fees ever to qualifying brands, and the featured brands will receive 8 pages of coverage in our digital magazine. We are selecting only 12 to 15 brands for the launch of our magazine. Our magazine is not your traditional magazine, as we have a unique offering where your brand is accepted as a featured brand based on your subscriber base size and social media following numbers. Our marketing approach is based on the number of subscribers your brand can deliver Billionaire magazine to. So as an example, if each brand has 1 million subscribers, then your brand will receive 10x to 15x the viewers based on all brands being featured with their subscriber base. This allows your trusted brand to gain new subscribers 10x to 15x new potential subscribers. Additionally, all selected brands will be prominently featured on our Billionaire magazine website and through all brands' social media platforms. We include tracking URL links to verify that each brand is delivering their full potential of subscribers and to their followers. The subscriber campaigns is delivered 4x per month so that we get the latest pool set from subscribers' views. If your brand doesn't have 1 million subscribers yet, then download our media kit to learn how you can generate your first million subscribers. As a bonus, when a brand is signed up for a 6-month campaign for 8-page featured coverage, we'll also create exclusive magazine covers delivered to your own subscribers. Why are subscribers so important? Subscribers play a crucial role in sustaining platforms and driving engagement, offering businesses vital feedback and stable revenue. With your subscribers, you own the data, and thereby there are no gatekeepers and no delays in delivery. Billionaire magazine has created the marketing system to building your subscribers 10x and letting your brand gain new value potential buyers from other high-end brands, allowing your brand to funnel new subscribers to your landing page and lead capture system. Your brand's new subscribers are 100% your brand's subscribers and not controlled by any third-party platform. These new subscribers are extremely valuable for all your marketing campaigns. We help build this successful campaign via partnering with other high-end brands to your brand's benefit. As Grant Cardone tells his students, the #1 successful marketing approach is email marketing via sales funnels. Everything else is second to your subscriber database. The #1 successful marketing approach is through email marketing, and using sales funnels is the most effective strategy for driving success in marketing campaigns. Prioritize your subscriber database above all else for effective management and engagement. Submit your brand entry at the following link with your information on your brand's subscriber base and your social media follower numbers. And if your brand doesn't have 1 million subscribers yet, then download our media kit to learn how you can generate your first million subscribers. Look for the button on our home page to submit your brand. Thank you for your participation.